Beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free evening who loves to play with makeup. And of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is actually a let's play with makeup. This is going to be a brand new series on my channel that once a week I get to play with makeup and you actually see a full face and just like have fun and everything. So grab some coffee, grab some snacks, and let's go. Guys, today's video is gonna play with makeup. This is episode 2. I thought it'd be cool to do a series. Once a week, I just create makeup and everything else. Just talk to you guys about some stuff and just have a little fun. Maybe a chit chat. I don't know. It's gonna be a chit chat or just play with makeup. I don't know. All depends on my mood. And yeah. So I am going to try out a new palette. This is brand new to me. And if you watched my Makeup Revolution haul, you saw this. And I decided to use the Eyeshadow Revolution e.l.f. palette. I am a cotton-headed knitting Muggins, which is kind of cute name. Of course, it has a mirror. I really don't know what colors I'm going to play with, really. But I've been wanting to do darker colors this summer because why not? So I'm using the Relove Makeup Revolution's Relove new brand. Actually a lot, I'm not gonna say cheaper, but affordable, very affordable. So you'll put that light right there. I really do like this one. This is like a dupe. I will call it a dupe for ABH because it reminds me of that. So I'm definitely will repurchase this. It was not on sale, but I wanted to try it. I don't know what colors I'm gonna play with, but like I said, I've been playing with darker colors. So, which I'm going the opposite way, but it's okay. And it dries really quickly. I definitely want to use this shade right here. On camera it shows a little bit lighter, but it's actually a darker shade. Nice. This is my first time trying out the Eyeshadow Revolution. It's nice. And then I'm going to use this shade right here just to blend so, really want to hold it. Hold that. That's a nice blend to it. Like I have no problem with this. So I'm actually gonna to keep on blending that out. I'm gonna use the lightest shade. It's right here. Like all of these colors you can I really like how these palettes how they are. Like you can do like a 4 right here or use a whole row. It's like, to me, that's just cool way how they set it up. But that up to the brow bone. Of course, I'm going back to that blue-green color just to give it more of a nice. This is like a nice summer. Like this is bringing summer colors to me more than anything. I don't know. I'm not saying that. Oh, I don't mind. You can use any palette any time of the year. You can use any color time of the year. You don't have to follow the rules as in, oh, only use darker colors for this or use light colors for that. Nah. This is actually more fun just to, you know, just create makeup and have fun. I do want to use I'm going to use NYX Glitter Glue. I'm going to use it a little bit. I like to use a flat brush when it comes to the pigment. Actually, yeah, we're gonna use this shade right here. Nice. Just why not? This. I'm going to use that yellow that we have right here. So that's a pretty yellow. And I feel like you want to use this yellow just to like blend. This out some. It's just to, I don't know. Still. Okay, we're still going to use that yellow. But I just want this to be just to change the color some. Well, it's going to change the color no matter what. Adding that yellow will make that, yeah, more of a green. I'm going to use this brown right here. I don't know why, but I'm going to do it. Why not? It's there. This is going to make a nice, I think, but this is going to make it weird. Okay, these shapes are really pigmented and easy to blend, which that's good. Okay, I actually want to add more of that shimmer that we use. Just to brighten that up, because that's really, really dark. It's weird, but yeah. What can you do? Not much. Okay, I'll be right back, and I'm just going to put some eyeliner on. I don't think I'm going to put any falsies on today. And then I'm going to do some contouring, blush, and highlight, and just go with, probably go with a nude. That's one of the plans I'm thinking with it. So I'll be right back with this eye done with eyeliner and mascara on, and then we're going to do the face. I finished the eyes, I did the mascara, I did the eyeliner. They're not the same, but you know what? Yeah, my eyes are not the same. So I already did my face. I used the e.l.f. Melt primer. Use a Revolution, the Conceal. I need to get more foundation because I think I'm out. But it's okay. It's okay. And then I use LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fair, and I set my face with the hard candy. Now, time for the contour. The contour I'm going to use is Profusion. All of the products will be listed down below. Now, this is a new brush. I really do like this new brush. And it's going to do some contour. Contour. here. Then we'll do some on my forehead. Just gonna do that. Then for blush, I'm gonna use the Secret Crush from Colourpop. Do some blush. For highlight, I'm using my Profusion, the strip highlighter in Everglow Lights. This is really, really good. To a point. If I say to a point, that's because it's very powdery. But it gives a nice settled glow to the skin. Highlight, I should say. Yes, it is powdery. Yes, but it's just giving you that, just an iridescent highlight. For lipstick, I'm actually going to use the LiveGlam lipstick in Cool Month from this month. This is really nice. I do like it. It's pretty sure. I'm going to be using the Milani setting spray. It's just finished. Even the eyeliner is not symmetrical, but what can you do? But yeah. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you like this video, hit the like button. You want to be part of the Makeup Addict Squad, or whatever you want to call it. We are drama free and judgment free zone here. We don't put it with that at all. And of course, don't forget the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos I upload. Guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. And God bless. Bye.